Well, here we are with the MGZTs. The police are here, the police maestro there, and we have MGs, MGTFs, MGFs. Some people left. Highly customised down there, and some of the alarms have been set off there. But we've got the Rover 75s here, the Mark IIs here, the last production models there, as well as the Mark 1s, MGs, Minis here, various cars, and also we've got the successor to the Marina. I think got the Rover 200 Coupe there. We've got the successor to the Marina here, the Morris Ital. There we are, the Morris Ital estate here. There are the good workhorses here. There's a B registration there, another one here, and a saloon there. There we are. My grandfather had a company Marina and about 3 Maxis. Company cars, we do a lot of miles in them as well. Good workhorses. This is the 2019 Longbridge Rally. Over 100 there. And various other cars here. Well, there's the stalls and stands as well here.